generation of mass mobility. With an established advanced global technology and modular platform, the EiV12 is powered by advanced lithium-ion NMC chemistry, offering long battery life, high energy density, and unique double-gun charging system. The EiV12 is aesthetically designed for urban commute, enabling superior ride quality and best-in-class passenger comfort. Our platform is embedded with Switch Ion, the proprietary connected vehicle solutions. The all-new EiV12 is here to revolutionize urban mobility with its unique style, technology and comfort, offering best-in-class total cost of ownership to our customers. The EiV12 from Switch Mobility. Move better.